China is raising lobsters. No, not seafood. It's an open-source AI agent called OpenClaw. Bright red crustacean icon everyone's obsessed with. Installing it is hard. A whole side hustle exploded overnight. A 27-year-old engineer started offering installation support on second-hand marketplaces. Business boomed. Pop-up booths. Lineups around 10 cents HQ. Students handing over laptops. Seniors handing over laptops. Local governments jumped in. Free compute credits. Cash bounties. A GitHub project turned street-level gold rush. People buy mini PCs pre-configured to raise a lobster. Then the twist. Installers now charge to remove it. Load a lobster, $5.99. Unload a lobster, $2.99. The lobster 3-piece combo. Install. Tune. Uninstall. Why the U-turn? Risk. Real risk. China's cyber emergency team warned of weak default security, malicious web instructions, poisoned plugins, credential theft. One programmer tried to fix an error. OpenClaw wiped a storage drive, nuking years of photos. Big institutions are nervous. Agencies and state banks warned, don't run this on office machines. At home, people need guardrails and clean backups. Fad or frontier? Both. Open source ambition, government hype, entrepreneurial hustle colliding with security reality. The lesson isn't don't touch it, it's respect the clause. If you're curious, sandbox device only. No sensitive accounts or files. Lock down plugins, read permissions, keep offline backups. Don't learn on your daily driver. OpenClaw became a cultural meme, a street business, a policy billboard. In the AI gold rush, it's about not striking your own hard drive. I'm watching this space closely. Would you raise a lobster or pass the butter?